Amanda told me about a sexy lady in here. They're doing the pole dancing. So we're learning how to pole dance. They've shut the curtains. There they are, look. Okay, so I've just been for a quick dip in the pool and I noticed this. So this is building A, Hotel A. You've got 3 blokes up on the 16th floor being held up by one bit of rope doing a bit of repair work. So zoom into them, have a look. That's crazy. There they are, all 3 of them. Would you do that job? "15 floors up, 16 floors up." Not for me. I'm on for Tony, back home. You're on about none of the palm trees have coconuts. Got them on that one. That one. New palm trees haven't got them. If you go onto this one, you go again. So 3 trees. Got a load of coconuts on. Now at the far end, let's see. I don't know whether you can see from here. Thank you. I don't know whether you can see from here, but that tree's got them. In fact, all the trees have got them. That's one for you, Joe. There's a coconut. Yeah. What are they called? Not coconut trees. What are they called? I had to come and stand on the shade here because the floor is too hot. We'll go back to the gym, but that's where I pay my electric and water. A nice little cafe restaurant by the bar. Let's have a look at these crazy people up here. Now my feet are in the shade. So the top of the building, first window you see is the 16th floor. So they're on the 15th about now. Long way to drop. All hanging on 1, maybe 2 bits of rope. I can only see 1 on some of them. On the 2 on the left, they've only got 1 bit of rope coming down, but they're doing a bit of paint work. But good job for the faint-hearted. I challenged Tone in Thailand to go and do that. Right, so that's a look at the crazy people. Now there's one more crazy person over here. Well, she was over here. Oh no, I've missed her in the gym. But she's over there. She's snuck in. Oblivious to me filming her. She's having a nose at the people around the pool. She's not looking over here. And there she goes. Right, time for me to have a shower. This floor is red hot on your feet. She might even wave, you never know. Hey. Wave, hey, wave. Okay, so we're back at the pool. It's the next day after the men were up there. We'll have a little look at their repair works. They're prepping it for a new paint job. So as you can see, all the white is the filler. Fill in any cracks. So in the next day or so, they'll be doing the top coat and they'll all look nice and fresh. So we'll look at that in a few days' time. That's it. Loads of people in the pool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 17, 18, 19, about 25 people in the pool. Sneak up on Amanda and we'll see her doing the gym. There's Park Tower over there in the distance. A little restaurant here by the pool. One for you dirty old birds. Pit bird. And here we got Amanda. Ow! That's Amanda doing her exercise before she goes in the pool. Yeah. So, time for a quick shower and dip. So he's right behind this car, coming down here, and he ran up the back of a motorbike. Smashed his car to bits. As you can see, running into the back of a bike. the damage to the bike is, but he didn't have to do some damage to his car. And Amanda just wanted to stop because there's someone selling strawberries. Okay. So we got to go and check that out. Let's get back to normal size. Let's go look. Yeah. Veggie hub. Very quiet. The strawberry, 100 baht. Hey, not for me. Hey. Foul, which is meant to be sour.
Condo, you really far and pocket. I tell you there. Keep them. Motorbike number 1, number 2, you number 3, you
I'll stay out of the way, yes.
big.
I was worried someone from behind might come.
If you number 1,
Because I really didn't like the idea of taking it up the rear.
when
I'm in Thailand.
Number 2 and you number 3.
Well, that's the first prank I've actually witnessed on the roads over here. Luckily, nobody hurt, so that's good.
I don't interested about.
So I think it was this grab bike. Had a bit. Oh, there's bits of it going down the road. Bits of the car going down the road now. Yeah, we're back at the car now. You can see the damage. There's the grab driver. Yeah. Amanda told me about a sexy lady in here. They're doing the pole dancing. So we're learning how to pole dance. They've shut the curtains. There they are, look. Don't think they were too impressed with me videoing in there. There you go.